Hi, this is Adriana, and this is step number 3 of Mindset 360 Pro Level with Gillian, Ortega, and Asia Roberts. And in this video, they talk about the 10 principles of success. So, if we have dreams, we have the ability to achieve them. And the number one step that they talk about is stop self-sabotage. Which is we identify the things we do or we do not do that block us from achieving our goals. Number 2 is positive affirmations. Number 3 is self-discipline. So they go hand in hand. And in self-discipline, there's a very interesting question that they ask us is, and it's this: would I hire me or fire me based on my performance? Number 4 is positive self-expectancy. So hang up with people or get advice from people that you would be glad to trade places with. Number 5 is positive self-motivation. Number 6, positive attitude, because your attitude determines your altitude. Number 7, it's time management. Number 8, hold to the power of your dream always, because you get sidetracked, and just always remember what your dreams are and work on them. Number 9, avoid negative people. If you can't, you learn how to manage them, how to take care of that. Number 10, get rid of excuses, because excuses are only lies that you tell to yourself, and you're the only one that believes them. Nobody else does. So basically, these are the basic steps they talk about. And in the training, we're going to learn more and work more about them. So if you would like to learn how to achieve your dreams, change your life, create a free account in SalesVision, and you will find the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. Bye.